Okay, first things first. Let's practice using your controllers. To open a menu, press in on the thumbstick. Great. Now to select an item from your menu, point your controller at the item you want and pull the index finger trigger. Select your impact drill from the menu. Well done. Now let's practice picking up objects. Walk over to the impact drill and place your hand on the drill. Then, pull and hold the grip trigger button. To let go of an object, simply release the grip trigger. Go ahead and let go of the drill. Looks like you've got the hang of this. Grab the drill and place it in your tool bucket. First things first, throw on your personal protective equipment. To access your equipment, press down on the thumbstick to open your tool menu. Now, place the item on your body. Great job! Keep going until you have put on all your initial PPE gear. Well done. Let's check out the job site.